Hello class, today in this video we learn about articles. What are articles? Articles are words used before noun and they modifies noun. As they give more information about noun, they functions as adjective. Article defines whether the noun is used in general way or specific way. There are three kinds of articles: a, an or the. We can divide them into two categories: definite articles or indefinite article. Guys, definite article is the. The comes in the category of definite article. The is used to refer to someone or something specific. The is used before both singular and plural countable nouns. The is sometimes used before uncountable nouns. A or N comes in the category of indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are used to refer to general things and are used with singular countable nouns. Now we have to learn when to use a or an. As we all know, there are 26 letters in English language. Among them, 5 are vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. Alright, and 21 are the consonants. Always remember that A is used before words that begin with a consonant sound. Example: a chair, a house, a man, a book, etc. An is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Example: an elephant, an owl, an injury, an hour, etc. Alright, now we have to look on the uses of definite article the. Use of the. The is used before a particular person or thing. It is also used before a common noun in singular form to denote a class. The is used before the following: seas, rivers, gulfs, canals, bays, mountain ranges, but not single mountain. It is also used before directions and natural phenomena, for newspaper generals and holy books. The is used before superlatives. You all know about degrees. So before the superlative degree, we use the. It is used before organs also. It is used after the word all and both. It is used in some phrases also. Alright, I hope you all have understood the uses of a, an or the.